For doing the heat number 1 process, I will use a coaster, aluminum rod, lighter and some sticks. So let's start. Now I will keep the candle here and I will keep the aluminum rod like this. Before that I will paste or stick some matchstick by the help of the candle. Now I will light up this candle. And put the candle in the aluminum rod. It will take time to do that, so I will just fast forward the video. We can see that one candle means that candle has dropped, which I created with the wax. Wow, what's happening here? Oh, second stick has also fallen. Great, beautiful. That means you can understand that the aluminum rod is very heated. You can't even touch it. Now it's time for the third stick. It has started moving. I can observe that. Whoa! Third candle started moving. Third stick. Wow! Great! The third stick has fallen. Now for the time of the fourth stick. Let's see. I observed that the fourth stick is moving. Let's see what happens. I saw 5 minutes, but the fourth stick is not falling, so I am increasing the height of the candle. Let's see. Heat fast. Whoa! The fourth. Yes! For doing this activity in heat method of 2, I am using a glass container, a big bucket type of container, color, and a flask of hot water. So I put the color and the hot water in this glass container, and I will put that to show the convection process. So let's start. Now I will add extra water to this container to full this edge. Let us do that. Now I am putting the glass in here. opening it. And now what will happen? The color will come up, not down, because the warmer water is less denser than the cooler water. So it is coming only up, not going down. If you see, then it will be understandable. It is only happening at the top, only happening. It is not going down, only happening in the top. Because warm water is less denser than the cooler water. How beautiful it is. A wonderful environment is created in this jar. Amazing. Wow, excellent, beautiful. I can also see now that the waves are forming here, as there are different temperature in different places, so it is just revolving. A great thing is happening here. Really nice. I appreciate my work. Do you? Please tell it in my comment section of the YouTube channel. For doing the method 3, I am using aluminum foil, lighter, candle. I am using a support to hold the candle like this, and I am lighting up the candle. Now I will try to melt this aluminum foil. Let's do it. You can see the aluminum foil has started melting. As aluminum foil is a very light metal and it is a foil, and that's why it is less weight, so I am using it. That's why. You can see the aluminum foil has slightly melted from here. This is due to the radiation that came from the flame.